your shop? I said, I want gumbo, culture, and egg with the duck. Over there. Just fuck off, you've been next door, you. Where am I? What I'm going to say now might upset a lot of people. 2 years ago, or was it 3 years ago, how the fucking hell do I know? There was a knock on my door. I went there, and there was a man stood there with blood coming down his arm. Lots of blood, and his eyeball hanging out of his head. And they were dithering like a shiting dog. There were lots of say. He says, want a cup of tea? I said, I'm not bothered. He said, you can have one if you want one. I said, I'm not bothered. I said, you either want one or you don't want one. He said, I'm not bothered. But if you're making one, I'll have one. I said, I'm not making one for myself. I'm making one if you want one. I said, I'm not bothered. He stood up and he went, a-roopy-doopy-doo, a-roopy-doopy-doo, a-roopy-doopy-doo. I want a cup of tea. Pom-pom, swing egg pom-pom, 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 swing egg pom-pom.
What is he on?
Get away from me, you kicky pig. I'd like to tell you some more about myself. I come from a farming background. And I went to University of Life. My mother had a head like a donkey. And my father was a cockerel. He used to be a crab. He used to walk sideways. Tablets they were on. They had side effects. Stop frightening me! When I was a kid, my mum used to put shits up me. She used to lock me in a cupboard and piss off out. Told me if I came down, Bonky would get me. Fucking Bonky, it's alright, but fucking Bonky were ill. And I used to get in bed on the night time, his fucking hand would come up like that. I used to fucking hit it with my stick. I used to fucking tap in the corner. And my cat, Tiddles, he was in the corner as well. Fucking looking at me all the time. Fucking cocking his eye at me. He used to cock my eye back at him. And he jumped up and dug his claws at my fucking head. Started kicking his back legs. Says, fucking get off me, get off me, get up! Breath used to stink. It's fucking how your breath smells. It's I've been eating pilchards. I said, Charlie, I've got something to tell you. I said, what's that, puss? I said, I'll fucking tell you later.